Alright, this is the seed set number 2 for Kirk Arenstan of Trophonuts. They're going in. Just an obnoxious amount of oil. Just gushing. You can kind of see the comparison between the amount of oil and press meal that's coming out. It's roughly at least 50% oil compared to the press meal. We'll work our way down. Here's the centrifuge. The oil's just, as you can see, going into the funnel. Here it's coming out crystal clear. Sweet. A little bit of air bubbles, but it's just perfectly clean. It's supposed to be cleaned down to 0.01 of a micron.